Alright, I'm back and I have the banjo in front of me from the last video, and if you didn't watch that, I bought a banjo. The next day I broke the neck. There's a huge crack there where most of the head is almost completely snapped off from the neck, so I attempted to just glue it and was hoping that'd be enough, but there's still some creaking. I can feel that the head is still really loose, and I just need a better fix. So today I'm going to attempt at putting some finishing nails. They're basically just little pins. They are very, very thin nails. They have a small head here and they aren't super long, but they should be long enough to hold the neck together. Now the plan is to take these finishing nails and get them so that they are angled, one from the front to the back, so they're angled a little upwards like this, from the head in this area to hopefully some actual material in the neck here. So it's going to be somewhat like this, and then on both sides so that it really locks it in, we're going to use some glue here. I would use 5-minute epoxy, but I couldn't find any. I had 1-minute epoxy and that stuff smells really, really bad. So this will give me hopefully a strong enough hold. I'm not a huge believer in this glue, but I also have a mechanical joint between the wood and the nail, so this glue is really just to bind the two together, and I'm thinking that that should be good. I have a drill here, and the goal is to create a pilot hole for these nails to go in so that they don't crack the neck and they don't add any unnecessary strain to it. They're just there to pin the two together, and then the glue is meant to really bind it all together. So first thing is to find a drill bit that is the right size. So if you can see, this drill bit is just a little too big, and I've snapped so many bits in my set that I don't have many options when it comes to small sizes. I think this one's like the perfect, it's almost the right size. It could be a little bit bigger, but I think this should be good. It's definitely the closest option, because this bit is way too big. There isn't really a great way to do this. So I may start it like this. Calculus book, the only thing I've ever used it for. This should be enough that we can get the drill so that we can angle it properly, or as best we can, to get these pins where we want them. Tap it with the mallet. At this point, I can't say if it's going to be any better than it was before, so it's gotta sit overnight, or at least a couple hours to let this glue set in, and then we can, I think, try to restring the banjo and see if it worked out. That's all I can see happening right now, so I will get back to this when the glue's dried. So the glue dried on the banjo. I waited about 24 hours. That was recommended on the label for the glue, and now I have my banjo. I I couldn't wait. I didn't feel like recording while I was putting the strings on, so I just strung it and I tuned it, and now it's back. I have a working banjo at the moment. If you can see here, you can see that those screws or those nails are sticking out pretty well. But in terms of playability, I don't think the banjo's been that affected. Like, sure, I have these nails that I'll run into while I'm playing, but for the most part, it plays pretty well considering the damage that it's been under. Yeah, I'm pretty bad. Don't have much else to say. Yep, that's it.